Looking for a wall clock that's not just functional, but also a stunning decor piece? This luxury corner wall clock is the perfect combination of style, technology, and convenience. It comes with a double-sided design, so you can see the time from multiple angles. Perfect for corners. And the best part, it's completely silent, so no ticking noise to disturb your piece. The clock also features a voice-activated display. Just make a sound, and it lights up. Plus, the automatic light sensor adjusts brightness based on your room lighting. You also get multiple alarm modes and even a real-time temperature display, making it more than just a clock. Whether it's your living room, office, or bedroom, this clock adds a modern luxury vibe instantly. If you want to upgrade your space with something stylish and smart, check the link in the description and grab your